we have three stocks that we have potential for a big kickoff for Monday. As we promised you guys at the weekend, we hunt for prices for those stocks that have potential to jump again. So without further ado, press the like button and let's get right to those stocks. First, we're gonna discuss if it's good to buy them or not. Are we gonna buy them or short them? What's the strategy for them and what's the price projection for those three stocks? So let's get right to it, guys, and start this video with Pfizer. The first stock is Pfizer, ticker symbol is PFE. So this one we got a lot of requests from you guys in the live streaming that we did Friday. If you didn't watch my live streaming last Friday, tune in the next Friday. We're gonna do it this time around the 7 p.m. Paris time because we did a voting on the community section, and the voting is concluded around the 7 p.m. this time, the next time. And this one is really interesting because we have a really good question from our hunters. Like, it's been going up, and the question is, are we gonna see a price to go again like higher, maybe to 60 or even like 100? Or so for this one I see a slow momentum. So for this kind of scenario, when we have the price jump, okay, we see a bit of short interest coming in, and we see a lot of short position for this stock. So I predict that the price will gravitate down a bit to have a buying pressure around the technical area that we're gonna discuss right now. And however, we have like earnings, really good earning at the 1st of May and the other one around the 28th of July. That's why we help us to have this momentum up. And again, for this one, I respect the price to go down by the next week if we don't respect the last support, the little support here around our exponential average. If we don't see a buying pressure here around the 47 or 48, above the 48, okay? If we have a closing candle before the 48, or around the 47, we're gonna see the price gravitate to see a bit of buying pressure around the 46, and the massive buying pressure will be around the 43 here. This area will be a perfect buying opportunity, and like have a swing trade really nice here for the price, because we're gonna see a lot of buying pressure here from the market maker interest for investors to come in around the 48. So but your notification around the 43, around this one, any price goes there, just hunt this one. Okay guys, this is really good one because we've been uptrending since the last of March. Okay, it's like uptrend until now. We act really in uptrend. This is really good. First, if you want to trade any stock, first see the big picture. Are we uptrend, downtrend? Then you can build your strategy on. The next one is SKLZ, and we got a lot of interest from our hunter on the live stream as well. This one interesting, guys. The general trend for this market is downtrending. Martin even down. We saw a buying pressure here around like in April since 28th of June, but we hit with rejection around the 23.88, a massive rejection there. That's why we continue downtrending again. However, right now I see a bit of like a momentum shift. So by this like next week, I expect the price for this one have a test until the 1277. The price will go higher to test this area, really important area to change the trend. So there is a strategy for this. If for the downtrending market, for this one, I will be expect a rejection here around the 1277, and any price break this level, guys. Any price test and break and closing here will be really interesting, because we see the price will go as high as 1765. This is where I take my profit. 1650 will be a perfect buying pressure, selling pressure, and we'll capitalize on this movement from the 1277 until the 16. And you must be wondering why I wait until like the price jump here, why I buy around the 10. Good question, because I will never jump in until it's more safer, guys. If you buy around the support and confirm the support, we have a less margin of error. If the price actually go down on us, we have a little support to hold us. For here, we don't have a support, guys. We might even go lower just in case. Okay, we see the price jump in. Yeah, the volume is going up. However, if you want to protect yourself and you have more probability of winning trade and at the same time less risk, because we are really near the support, is buying above the 12.77 and sell around the 16. And never be greedy. I know if you want to buy really right now is cheaper than buying around the 1277. It's common sense. However, we never know, is this the bottom? Okay, this is why I told you guys in trading is probability, and never get tricked by lower prices, because the lower prices is gonna go even lower. So I will always wait for confirmation for the price to have at least a support and test for the resistance in order to change in downtrend to go uptrend. More safer, guys. It's really more safer. And just remember, there's a lot of opportunity. If you miss this one, you can go to another one. Okay, there is almost, at least I did the research lately, almost 500,000 trade stocks been trading right now publicly. So come on, and even more. This is just the one who actually traded on the one that traded in US. If you calculate the one you traded on Canada and the other one in China, there is many more. So just put this idea in your head and think that there is a lot of opportunity, and never see the fear of missing out. This will trigger you to buy, and you think this is the only way to make money. And the next one is Pharmasite Biotech, or ticker symbol is PMCB. This one really interesting, guys, because this one we have a reverse split that we did around the 12th of July, 1 to 1,500. Imagine that. It means it's been in penny stock status, but they did this reverse split in order to get listed in the Nasdaq. And this has happened around the 18th of August. That's why the price jumped until the 10. But the price didn't hold. That's why I told you guys we need the confirmation candle and hold above the $6, but we didn't. That's why the price go down. However, after we went down, we started to do this form of triangle, and this is kind of reaction is good, because when we went down, we didn't do lower lows from the exploding phase. You see, this is the pre-exploding phase. Okay, the price when went down, we still doing higher lows, and this is good. Now I have a bit of target right now. If we hold above the $3, will be perfect opportunity to capitalize on and test for the $4.40, and the next target will be around the $6 to fill the gap. For this one will be really good to capitalize on this opportunity, and at least make a swing trade for this one. We have earning coming up on the 23rd of August, by tomorrow. So this might trigger the price to go up even more. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please bless the like button and comment in section below if you already traded one of those stock. And again, guys, join us in Patreon in comment section below when we hunt for exact price value pre-market, and again analysis for your favorite stock, and cover a lot of stock that we couldn't actually cover on YouTube, and one-on-one meeting with me, of course, if you want to discuss your portfolio with me. So without further ado, hope you have a nice weekend, and see you in the next update.